Windows 8 and Windows Server 8. I'm going to show you how to see how much processor usage an application is using in the Task Manager. So we want to get to the Task Manager. You can right click on the taskbar, choose Task Manager, and from there we have lots of different tabs. So we're going to go to the Processes tab, and we see in the processes we have various different listed processes, and then you can click on the down arrow if anyone has an arrow, and you can see any sub processes that are in there as well. From here we can see each one of these processors, how much CPU time they're using. If you want to see what's using the maximum amount at this time, then you go to the top of the menu here and then you double click, and now we can see it sorts it by what's using the most amount of processor at that time, and it works its way down. And that will jump around a little bit as different processes take up different amounts of space. So for instance, if I open up the Explorer, then we'll see that will now be using, Windows Explorer will now be using the most amount of the processor, and that jumps to the top. So that's how you can tell how much CPU is being used on each of the processors in Windows 8 and Server 8.